Hello everybody, welcome back to my nerd/ukulele corner. Let me turn the camera a little bit. Boom. I'm going to be showing you how to play Megan Lee because somebody requested that. That is my original song. It's on Spotify, it's on iTunes, it's on everything. So yeah, that's what we're gonna learn today. Huh? Oh. Okay, so this song has three different parts. All the chords are basically the same. There's not that many chords, but I'll just run through them. We'll go through the verse first, and then we'll go to the pre-chorus, and then we'll go to the chorus. And I'm pretty sure that's all that's in this song, but yeah. So let's start with the verse. Okay, so starting with the verses, we're gonna start with the chords, and then I'll show you the little picking pattern that I do, okay? So the first chord is a G, which is just your middle finger on the bottom string 2nd fret, your ring finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and your pointer finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret. The chord after that is a G major 7, which is just these 3 chords on the 2nd fret. You can play like that, or you can play it with your 3 fingers. Whatever is easier for you to press all 3 of these bottom ones. And then the chord after that is a C major 7, which is just this bottom string on the 2nd fret. And then after that, it is just open, and then your finger on the bottom string on the 5th fret. So altogether, it'll be like this. And the picking pattern that I do for that is just pinching the top and bottom strings, and then doing the 3rd and the 2nd. Like that. So 1st and 4th string, then 3rd and then 2nd. So it's 2 times for G, 2 times for G major 7, 2 times for C, and then 1 time open, and then 1 time on the 5th. So it'll sound like this. G, G major 7, C major 7, open, and then on the 5th fret, and then back to G. Now let's move on to the pre-chorus. Okay, so the pre-chorus is E minor, which is your pointer finger on the bottom string 2nd fret, your middle finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string 4th fret. The chord after that is a G, which we already went over, and then a G major 7, which we already went over. And it's the same picking pattern, which is the top and bottom pinch, and then the 2, and then the 3, and then the 2. Except this time, on the E minor, you do it 4 times. And then to the G, 4 times, and then the G major 7. So it goes just like that. E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, G major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And you stop on the pinch at the beginning. And then that will lead us right into the chorus. And I know what you're thinking, Jordan, what are the chords for the chorus? And I will tell you, it's exactly the same thing as the verses, except you don't do the little changing part. So it's just the G major 7, and then the C major 7. Except now we're strumming, so it's down, down, up, down, up. Like this. It's 1 time on G, 1 time on G major 7, and then 2 times on C major 7. So the chorus will sound like this. And if you want to, whenever you play the C major 7 the second time, you can open it up and press the 5 just like at the beginning if you want to add some spice to it. So you can do this. And that's basically how you play Megan Lee. So yeah, we'll go ahead and sing through it so you guys can kind of see how I play it. And yeah, I'll keep the camera facing the ukulele more than me so you guys can see what's going on. Starting with the G. Oh, my Megan Lee, never have I met one so sweet, like a piece of candy after a long bitter streak, and I can't get you off my mind. It's like you left your name tattooed inside my mind. Now the chorus. You know how to make me feel complete. I say your name 1,000 times and scream it to the sky. Let's add some spice. Megan Lee, Megan Lee, Megan Lee, Megan Lee. So that's how you play my song, Megan Lee, on the ukulele. Yeah, I appreciate you guys wanting to learn my songs as well as all these Boy with Uke songs and other ukulele songs. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So see you later.